Going down to 601 South from 29 to Wilshire. For some reason there's a traffic backup, and I see plenty of cars are actually getting out of this lane and turning around going back. Of course, me being who I am, I gotta find out what's going on. Pretty wild day. I went shopping. Had a doctor's appointment. And washed the dishes and took out the trash. Get home, do some receipts, put them in my Quicken, get some paperwork together for my babe so she can take care of her business. And hopefully I'll get to bed by 9 o'clock so I can get up and on the school bus for them school kids. I learned the route last week. Always something, always something. Shout out to people who know me. Ivan Johnson,